Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So I do have on UNT peel off base coat. I have on 2 coats of that, and then we're going to be using 4 different colors. We'll be using Emerald by IGel Beauty, which is a green. We'll be using Cornstalk by Revel, which is kind of like a mustard yellow, honey mustard yellow, and Mia from Revel, and Baby Powder from IGel Beauty. So these colors, I am using these for Black History Month because I will be doing a Black History mani, and I will also be using my Odorless dip liquids from Color My World Dips, which is a shop on Etsy. So guys, just hang out with me while I'll do this dip powder application. With low odor dip liquids, these liquids are also slow drying, so you need to be careful when brushing off excess dip powder before you go in with the second coat of dip, because since they're low odor and slow drying, you could accidentally brush off excess color. And you'll notice coming up on the second coat, when I put my brush down on my nail, some of the color, especially towards the cuticle area, kind of bleeds out because it wasn't completely dry. So I've said over and over again, you know, I love low odor or odorless dip liquids. However, they are slow drying, and to me, and again, my opinion, they don't fully dry until they are activated. So do you guys see towards the cuticle area how that color kind of bleeds out or thins out because it's not fully dry? But it's okay, you know, I'll take that versus having dip flu symptoms the next day. And I do like regular dip liquids because they dry faster, but whenever I use regular dip liquids, I do wear a respirator because I will suffer from dip flu symptoms if I do not. So kind of off of dip powder a little bit, let's talk about the builder gel that I use. So for over a year now, I've been keeping a layer of builder gel on my nails. I first started using IGel Beauty's builder gel, but it did not it wouldn't stay on my nails. It would always peel even with the proper nail prep, and I was like, what in the world? And I was mad because I had bought all the colors thinking, you know, I can do pink this time, I could do sheer nude, but they just did not sit well or stay on my nails very well. So after that, for the past year, I've been using Luxie nail builder gel. I first used, and this is a company on Etsy, and I do have the builder gel products linked in my commonly used, I always have it linked in my description box of the video. So of all my videos. So I've been using Luxie nail builder gel for the past year without any problems. And the reason why I like their builder gel, even though I do not have a gel allergy, knock on wood that I never get a gel allergy, but it is HEMA free. And so I've used clear, and on my nails now I do have soft pink. So that's why some areas seem a little I don't want to say phased out, but look a little cloudy, because I do have soft pink Luxie nail builder gel, which is in a bottle, on my nails. And again, though, that is the builder gel of my choice. I haven't had any problems with it so far at all, and I've been using it for the past year. Now, do I remove my builder gel? Nope. I'll file it down thin, and I will backfill and hopefully rebalance the nail. Again, I'm not a professional, I'm not a nail tech, but I do what works best for me at home, and I've been using these products without any issues. I did, however, try to remove the builder gel on my left hand with Triple D's Get Naked, and it worked. It just took a long time, and I still didn't end up getting all of the builder gel off. I just removed a lot of the layers that was on the nail. After I applied 2 coats of dip powder to each nail, I brushed off excess, and then I'm going in with my activator and applying that to all nails. And this is what's going to harden that dip powder and get ready for fouling and buffing. And I'm just using Color My World activator dip liquid. And I'm wiping my activator brush off on a paper towel to prevent staining of my activator liquid. Now, if it stains, will that impact how the activator liquid performs? I don't think so, because I actually have an activator that is stained and it works just fine. I just don't like it stained because it's in a clear bottle and I want it to be as clear as possible. So after I activate, I wait about 5 minutes and then I do my fouling and buffing off camera, and then we're going to go in and do some nail stamping. So I have some colors from Clear Jelly Stamper. I have about 4 colors. Thought those would match well, except for that green. That green's a little too bright, but I didn't want to go with the darker green. So the colors that I'm using in my mania are the colors of the Pan-African flag, which is kind of representative of Black History Month. And I'm using this negative space plate. Now on the card, it looks nice and ombre, right? Right, y'all, it was so hard. It was so hard. It was so hard. And then I'm going in and applying, after that dries, I'm going to go in and apply the multiple faces, because we all come in, regardless of our race and ethnicity, we come in all shapes, colors, and sizes, and we are all different. We are all humans. That's how I look at things. We are humans. So y'all, I'm going in and I'm applying this polish to the plate. And I'm like, oh, this is gonna be nice. And I did practice this and kind of got it to the point where I thought it would work. I played myself, because after all that practice and all that wasted polish, it still did not do right. So I'm applying the red. I'm like, ooh, this is gonna be nice. Then I'm applying the yellow. Wonderful. And then I'm gonna go in with my green and apply that. And I'm like, okay, we doing something. Scrape, y'all, look at that mess. And what am I doing? What? I don't know. I don't even know at this point. I don't know what I'm doing. Pick it up. Ain't nothing pick up. Hardly anything ever picked up, because guess what? It's not on the plate anymore. I scraped all the polish out. So I'm going in and cleaning up again. I'm going to clean my plate off with acetone, clean my scraper card off. And I tried again. Played myself again, because it didn't work. It didn't work a second time. And so genius me, instead of going so the first time I went to from the top to the bottom, I don't know why I'm thinking working from the bottom to the top would work. I don't know, y'all. I get silly when I'm doing my nails and I get distracted because I be watching TV and then my daughter be talking to me and my husband had the TV on like 1,000, so I don't know what be going on. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna put the polish on the outside. I'm gonna put it on the outside and we're gonna scrape across, because I saw a few old, and they were old, like years old, YouTube videos where people were using negative space. Look at that mess again. So genius me tried it again. No, that didn't work either. That did not work. So at this point I said, okay, y'all, what can I do? This is not working. I want the multi-colors on the nail as a background. And so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna really clean this plate up. Maybe something's on the plate. Wasn't on that plate. It was used air. So I then go in and apply the polish again. And instead of using the scraper card, I immediately go in with the stamper to pick it up, and then I put it on the nail. And then I use excess polish, or the polish brush, not excess polish, but I use the stamper polish brush to just kind of fill in what is missing on the nail. And that worked. What I probably should have did is took like a ombre brush, like a gel ombre brush, and just ombre'd it right on the plate just to blend it in some more, because I got a lot of that green on my nail, which I didn't want a whole lot of green, but I didn't get a lot of red either. So once that dried, I then go in and apply the image with the faces and stamp that. Y'all, now that I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, I'm thinking, you know what? I could have put that stamping polish on a cosmetic sponge and ombre'd it on that white background. That probably would have been so much easier, and I wouldn't have wasted so much polish. But anyway, so the face is stamped fine on the nail. It was great. I did like that on that nail with the multiple colors on there. And then after that dries, I clean up excess polish on my skin and my cuticle area, and I go in and apply 2 coats of Color My World Dips gel polish, no white top coat, and this top coat is HEMA free. So I'm applying 2 coats of the top coat, and in between each coat I am curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I just applied one coat of top coat off camera, and on camera, and applied the second coat off camera. What am I talking about? And cured. So guys, after your nails have cooled off in the lamp, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. And here's that finished look, nice and shiny. That top coat is nice and shiny. Again, I applied 2 coats, and that's what the instructions say. Apply 2 coats, and that's what I did. So once they've cooled off, I give it a few seconds, maybe roughly between 15 and 30 seconds. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil to rehydrate your cuticles, your nails, and the skin around your nails. You want to try to prevent hangnails and dry, dusty cuticles. So guys, you will definitely have to let me know what you think about this set, or this Black History Month set. So make sure that you like this video by clicking the like icon. If you found value in this video, please leave a comment to let me know what you think. And lastly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. It is free. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for continuing to support me on YouTube, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.